From Dandasana staff pose, begin by drawing your left leg into Ardha Virasana, half hero pose. Bending the right knee, allow your foot to rest to the ground. Exhale as you reach down with both hands to grasp the right foot. Inhale, lean back slightly into the seat, keeping the torso long and avoid rounding the shoulders. With your inhale, gently raise the right leg at least 45 degrees. The leg can be lifted higher depending on hamstring flexibility. Hold Heron Pose for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then gently release the right foot down to the ground and allow the left leg to release back to Dandasana. Switch sides when you're ready.